certain things that might trigger our autoimmune problems. And my triggers might be different from your triggers. So it's important to discover your own triggers. Triggers could be stress, you're overworked, you're not sleeping. Also, certain foods that you're eating, especially tomatoes, peppers, certain drinks that you're drinking that exacerbate your autoimmune issue, alcohol, caffeine from coffee. And a lot of times with autoimmune, glutens might aggravate you as well. And gluten is often in beers and in a lot of our pastries, bakery goods, breads, thickeners for sauces. Our triggers might be different from someone else's triggers, but a lot of the triggers affect most people with autoimmune disorders. There's certain foods that might aggravate your autoimmune disorder and cause an increase in inflammation. But by the same token, there's certain foods that we can eat that can decrease the inflammation. There's natural plants that I call it the power of the plant that have natural anti-inflammatory effects. Some of them are cilantro, love fresh cilantro, ginger root, love putting it in my tea and I cook with it. Garlic is normally a great anti-inflammatory, but certain people with lupus, it might aggravate their autoimmune disorder. So these foods that are normally anti-inflammatories in rare cases can actually exacerbate. So it's important to speak with a healthcare provider like myself to discuss what triggers there are in foods you're eating and what foods can be used for their medicinal purposes.